Right now, there is a battle happening inside your mind, and most men are losing it every single day, not because they are weak by nature, but because they keep feeding the very thing destroying them. Lust is not just a bad habit. It steals your focus, your energy, your discipline, your confidence. It keeps you distracted while your goals, your future, and your potential slowly fade away in the background. And the worst part is this: most men know it is hurting them, but they continue anyway. You tell yourself it is the last time, then the next night comes. The same urges, the same excuses, the same regret afterward.
You start feeling mentally weaker, more tired, more distracted. You lose respect for yourself because deep down, you know you are no longer in control. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You will never defeat lust through motivation alone. You defeat it through discipline, environment, and daily choices. The first step is to remove your triggers immediately. Your phone, your social media, the accounts you follow, the content you consume. Stop acting surprised when your mind is filled with temptation while you constantly feed it poison every day. You cannot heal in the same environment that keeps making you weak. The second step is to stop staying alone doing nothing. Idle time is dangerous. Most urges appear when you are bored, isolated, tired, or emotionally empty. That is why you must keep moving, train your body, learn skills, work on your goals. A busy man with purpose has less time to destroy himself.
The third step is to build discipline through small wins. Wake up when you say you will. Make your bed. Exercise daily. Take cold showers if needed, because every small act of discipline strengthens your ability to control yourself. And self-control is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. The fourth step is to stop identifying yourself as a weak man. Your identity matters. If you constantly say, "I can't control myself," your actions will follow that belief. But the moment you start seeing yourself as disciplined, focused, and in control, your behavior slowly changes too. You become what you repeat daily inside your mind.
And the fifth step is this: accept discomfort, because urges will come, temptation will come. There will be nights where your mind fights against you, but growth happens when you stop obeying every feeling you have. Strong men are not people without urges. Strong men are people who do not let urges control their lives. Listen carefully. Every time you resist temptation, you rebuild your mind. You gain confidence. You gain clarity. You gain energy that can now be used to build your future instead of destroying it. This is bigger than lust. This is about becoming a man who controls himself in a world designed to make him weak.
Nobody else can fight this battle for you. Nobody is coming to save you. At some point, you must decide that your future matters more than temporary pleasure. And when you stay consistent long enough, something powerful happens. Your focus returns, your confidence grows, your discipline becomes stronger. You stop feeling trapped. One day, you look back and realize you became someone completely different, calmer, sharper, more in control. But it starts with one decision. Today, right now, stop feeding the habits that are destroying your mind and start building the man you were meant to become.